Hi students, this third podcast is just a little bit more advanced if you want to brush up your skills or if you want to just push the group to make a little bit of a more interesting graph and take a look at what your data is telling you. So first of all, you can see I have my tables here. This is my original table of how many students responded with coffee, tea, or OJ, and so forth. And then here I divided now my data by male and female. And then I have the total over here. And then I'm going to make one more data table with percentages. So actually, I'm just going to make sure that I don't have any errors in my data. So this total is actually coffee, 8 plus 9 equals 17, etc. But now I want to make sure my column totals so I didn't miss anybody's data. So I'm just going to press equal, SUM, that stands for summary. And then I'm going to highlight this column, close parenthesis, and oh, okay, great, I have 49. So I'm interested to know, or maybe you can check on your Google form, how many males and how many females. So I'm just going to add this and make sure it's correct the same way. So I just enter into the cell equal sign, SUM, open parenthesis, highlight, close parenthesis. Okay, great. So now I'm going to use that information and just do a very easy percentage. So I'm going to put equal, I'm going to select 8 divided by 22. So out of my respondents, male respondents, 36% said they prefer coffee. So I'm going to do the same thing for tea, equal 6 divided by 22. Okay, so now you can see I have all the percentages in my table, and I know they look really unsightly, very ugly. So I'm going to highlight them, and I'm going to go up here. I'm going to decrease the number of decimals. And then I'm also going to change it to percent. And I'm going to decrease it even more. I just want, that's fine, that's perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to use this data table to make a bar chart. So I highlight the whole table, I go to Insert, Chart, and here I have very many options about how I want my chart to look like. This is kind of what we're demonstrating. You want to decide which chart, which bar chart is the best for displaying your data in your report. I actually like the first one. So I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to go to Customization because I want to change the title. So I'm going to write beverage preference. Think of a title. So Miss.Agribusiness, Emily's Agribusiness, students, comparing male and female. Okay, good. So let me see, maybe I think I'll make it a little bit bigger, 14, okay. And then I want to go, my title is 18. Actually, I liked it at 16, that was fine. I want to change the colors. I'm going to go down here. Where's my color? I'll change the background color. How about a little yellow? That is good. Okay, so now I have my bar chart, and actually this is telling me good information. This is actually saying that from my survey respondents, more males prefer to drink coffee in the mornings rather than females. Even though if we use the count, we would have a different type of looking graphic. So let me just show you that really fast. If I highlight this one, this is the count, it's not the percentage, and I insert my chart. I'm just going to select this one, and you can compare. So take a look how they look different. So on this one, the females are more, and the males are less, but that's just because of my respondents. There were more women that responded to my survey than men. But if we go by percentage, we can actually compare the preferences. So now I'm going to use this bar chart in order to insert into my report.